This is the Bridgeport Easy Path 3S engine lathe, CNC engine lathe, new in 1999, serial number 002-084189-378. There's the 3-jaw chuck. See, the ways are pristine. Got a steady rest, dooring and tool post. That's your sliding door, your hand controls, tail stock, your tool post holders. This is the control with the CRT. You just move that. You just move the door. Okay. He's moving the X-axis. Running the X, jogging it. Z axis, sorry. The X. Z again. The X. Let me show it moving. Run that back. Okay. Go ahead, run the spindle, I guess.
Spindle at 1,000 RPM.
That's at 1,000 RPM. It's super quiet. Reverse. Got the work lights, by the way, inside.
2,500.
That's 2,500 RPM. The brake. That's a low range. 350 RPM. Zip it around again a little bit. But the hand control. You can see there. You just turn the hand wheel. Turn the hand wheel. Now you hooked it up so you can act like a manual carriage. And anything else we should show them?
Oops.
These are menus, help screens.
RPM change. Floppy drive in the front.
Floppy drive. Machine also has an RS-232 port. I'll walk you around the machine. You can see again, that's the tail stock, obviously, from the back side. This is a coolant trays in the pump. Go slide underneath. And that's it. Thank you.